Now solving problems on different types or different methods of index numbers. Now, simple aggregative index method. This is the simplest and least satisfactory method of constructing indices or index numbers. And in the case of price indices, through this method, the total of unit cost of each commodity in the current year is divided by the total of unit cost of the same commodity in the base year, and the quotient is multiplied by 100. Symbolically, p01 is equal to sigma p1 by sigma p0 and into 100. So simple aggregative method, this is one of the categories of unweighted index number, and this is the simplest and least the satisfactory method of constructing index numbers. And under this method, the total of unit cost of each commodity in the current year is divided by the total of a unit cost of the same commodity in the base year, and the quotient is multiplied by the 100. So here the formula to calculate simple aggregative index is that P01 means price index for the period 1, or price index for current year. 1 means current year, 0 means what, the base year. P01, it means it stands for price index for the current year, is equal to sigma p1 by sigma p0 and into 100. The total of current year prices divided by total of the base year prices into 100. Similarly, the quantity index may be expressed as quantity index Q01, quantity index for current year equals sigma q1 divided by sigma q0 into 100. Total of current year quantity divided by total of base year quantity into 100. And simple average of price relative method, this is also another the category of uh, categories of the unweighted index numbers, and this is also a simplest the method of constructing index numbers. And under simple average of price relative method, the formula to calculate the price index for current year P01 equals sigma P by N, where P stands for price relatives. So that can be known as P1 by P0 into 100. Current year price divided by base year price into 100. And similarly, Q01 quantity index for the current year Q01 can be known as sigma Q by N, where Q stands for the quantity relatives. uh, Q1 that can be calculated as Q1 by Q0 into 100. So current year quantity divided by base year quantity into 100. So these are the formulae which are to be used for constructing index numbers, both the methods of simple aggregative index and simple average of price relatives method. Now, first the problem, calculate price index for the year 2017 by taking the base year as 2015 under simple aggregative and simple average of price relative method. So different items are given for base year prices and current year prices, 2015 and 2017 of the prices of 2015 and 17 are given. So having these the data, we have to calculate price index for the year 2017 by taking the base year as 2015. So in the first column, different items are taken here, items in the first column, and base year price in the second column, and third year means what, current year price, uh, base year price and current year the price are given, in second column ಅಲ್ಲಿ price 2015 ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ P1 means total of the current year price is equal to 248, and base year some the total of base year price is equal to 180. So we have to take the sum of base year as well as the current year. Now simple aggregative method, the formula to construct index numbers according to this method is P01 equals sigma P1 by sigma P0 into 100. Sigma P1 total of current year price divided by total of base year price and multiplied by 100. Then substituting the values in the formula, P01 equals 248 divided by 180 into 100. Therefore, P01 is equal to 137.77%. So this means what, in the current year the prices of all the items had been increased by 37.77% when compared to the base year 2015. Now simple average of price relative method, this is another the method in which we have to construct index numbers. So first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ items ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು calculate P, where P stands for price relatives, and that can be calculated as P1 by P0 into 100, current year price divided by base year price into 100. So P1 80 by 70 into 100 is equal to 114.285. 50 by 40 into 100 is equal to 125. 60 by 35 into 100 is equal to 171.425. 40 by 25 into 100 equals 160, and then 18 by 10 into 100 equals 180. Now sigma P, sum of price relatives is equal to 750.71. Now P01 price index for the current year, sigma P by N equals 750.71 by 5 equals 150.143%. So this means what, in the current year the prices of all the items had been increased by 50.143% when compared to the base year. Now take second problem. Calculate quantity index number from the following for the year 2016 by taking 2015 as base. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 2015 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ 2015 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ 2016 ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ we have to calculate quantity index number. Now items in the first column and base year quantity second column, so and current year quantity in the third column. So year 2016 is called as the current year. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು sum of Q1 total of current year quantity equals 277. Total of base year quantity equals 220. Now substituting these values in the formula, simple aggregative method, Q01 quantity index for the period for the current year, Q01 is equal to sigma Q1 by sigma Q0, total of current year quantity divided by total of base year quantity into 100. So equals 277 divided by 220 into 100 equals 125.909%. It means that prices of all the items are increased by 25.909% when compared to the previous or the base year. Now simple average of price relative method. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. Now Q can be known as current year quantity divided by base year quantity into 100. Current year quantity 80 by 65 into 100 equals 123.077. 49 by 40 into 100 equals 122.5, and then 100 by 80 into 100 equals 125. 22 by 15 into 100 equals 146.667, and then 26 by 20 into 100 is equal to 130. Now sigma Q quantity index for current year, sigma Q is equal to 647.244. Now substituting the value in the formula, Q01 is equal to sigma Q by n, where sum of or total of Q equals 647.244 by number of items here 5. When dividing 647.244 by 5, then we get 129.449%. So this is what in the current year the quantity of all the items had been increased by 29.45% when compared to the base year 2015. So this is what so this is the way in which we are going to compute the value of compute or the construction of the index numbers according to simple aggregative method and simple price relatives method.